Welcome back to Creating with Beauty Science. In this video, I'm going to show you one of the new features of Canva this month. Look, here I have a PNG image, and when I click on it, when I select it, Canva shows me the color that are in the image, okay? So I'm able to change the colors of this image. Let's see. This is amazing, I'm telling you. After I have shown you how to change the colors, I will give you some advice on how to monetize images like this. Okay, I'm going to duplicate my work, and here it is. When I select it, the colors will come back. So now I'm able to edit these colors in this picture. When I click on the blue here, the color place here will open, and I can choose a color. If I choose pink, you see the blue and the pink, it turned into purple. Okay, let's go to the brown to see what's going on. Let's say I choose blue. I do not want that, so I will not touch the brown. I'm going to undo it. Okay, I'll leave it like this. This one here, I think this is the background. Let me see, green. Oh yeah, it's the gold. I will not touch that either. If you want to, you can do that. I'm going to undo it. Okay, and I'll leave it like this. Now I'm going to duplicate it again, and I'm going to try to design more colors of this item. The purple, let's see the purple. Let's make the purple green. You see now our bag turned into green. This is amazing. Let's make another duplicate. Oh, I thought I made a duplicate. Yeah, another duplicate. I'll go for the green again. Let's go down here. I think, okay, I thought I saw a gradient. Oh, the gradient was for the background, not for the bag. Okay, we are on the green. Right here, we can choose another color. Let's go for yellow. I love this one. I love this one. I love this one. Dark blue. We had dark blue already. Like greenish, purplish, pinkish. Okay. Red. This is also beautiful. Let's check this out. Brown. I love it too. So you can select your image and see the colors that Canva gives you, and then edit those colors in the image and see which one fit, which one will come out the best. In this case, we shouldn't touch these two other colors. We should only use the first one because that's the color of the body of the bag. Let's do this. We can remove the background of the image. You see how beautiful it is. I'm gonna edit it. I'm gonna add a filter design. You can find filters here. I'll go with this one. I love this one, the fresco. This one too. I'm also going to remove the background. Add a filter. I think we have two of the same bag, same of the color. Select this one, remove the background, add a filter. Select this one, remove the background. Okay, and add a filter. Let's go and see what we have. Okay, it looks like we almost have the same things. This one, I'm going to change the color in this one again. Select it. I have my colors here. I think it's the yellow. I'll put this color in. Okay. Like it's kind of bluish. Let's see, yellow. Oh, yellow was the green one. We had a purple already. Dark blue. I think we have dark blue already. Purple itself. Let's see white. White doesn't do much. Black, gray. These are also so nice. Let's see black. Okay, let's keep it on these four. Okay, now I'm going to tell you how to monetize these. There are different ways how to monetize these. You see how beautiful they are. You can sell images like this. You can sell them as stickers, like planner stickers. You can sell them as loose elements for social media posts. You can sell them as loose elements to create ebooks. You can sell them as loose elements to create flyers. You can sell them as regular PNG images for others to use. So you can monetize it in different ways, different products. Yeah, these are all the ways, and maybe there are more ways to monetize these for profit. If you want to know how I create these images like this in Canva, let me know in the comment section below. I have a short course where I show you how to create like name brand AI in Canva. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know if you have any questions. Bye.